Right, we're deep in the Arkville forest now, and there could be dragons around any corner. In fact, just before I switched on, the animals came running back again, all scared. Come on, come on, up this slippery slope. Oh, how am I going to get up here? Oh, there's a branch to hang on to. No, it's broken. Ah! Oh! Here we go. Oh, that's it. Here we are. Come on. Oh, don't you bark at it. Come on. Come on. Oh. Oh, this is the dodgy one. You've got to come down this slope without slipping. Get a foot on that tree trunk there and don't flip over so it goes up you know where. Right. Oh, it wouldn't be so bad if it hadn't been raining up there. Bless you. Oh. Right, there we are. Cool. We're not even anywhere near home yet. Come on. Off you go. Oh. This is me. Really, really puffed out, okay? Come on. Right, now we come to the climb. This is the mucky valley where Hervé used to throw all his junk down. There's another one yet. Even more junk. The French do like throwing their junk down hills. Only the Greeks are better. They climb up mountains to throw their plastic bags away. Come on. Now what I didn't bring, I should have brought, no, was a stick. And I don't have a stick because this is really, with all that rain yesterday, this is really slippery. Right, come on. You can do it. Oh, they've abandoned me. They've run off and left me. Right, oh, my calf muscles are killing me. Here we go. This is round this little ridge where if you slip over the edge, you fall at least 3 feet. Ah, ah, oh, go to the tree. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Oh. I can't tell you what agony this is on my calf muscles. They brought hell in the morning up here, you know. Yeah. One pulling, one pushing. Oh. 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 Right. Oh, there's another tree to hold on. Oh. They're the dogs. You hear me wheezing now. I had intended trying to keep my voice lower so I didn't sound such a squeaky cockney, but oh, there's Hervé's outside privy, or I think it is. Why anybody would come out at night down a hill in the dark, I've no idea. Right, we're nearly there. Oh, sorry about that, folks. Well, here we go. Last slope. Oh, oh, this is where it gets steeper, but at least we're nearly on the home straight. Oh, I'm falling backwards. No, it's okay. Right, up we go. Oh, 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 there's a foothold. A tree. Ah. Right. Oh. Right. Round this corner. Up this last slope. Dogs have abandoned me. Oh. Last bit. Nearly there. Ah. Oh. There's Hervey's coal tank, which I stole last year and Andrew brought back again. That took me a lot of effort stealing that, never mind. Sorry about that, Hervey. Didn't realise it was yours. Ah. 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 There we are. Ah. There's Rosa and David's barn. Derelict. This is the scrub. Ah. Not far now. When we get over this. Come on. Back to civilization. Ah. Ah. My poor old lungs are knackered. Here we are, back in the garden. There's the sun. There's a really big puffball. I shan't be bothered to eat that. Simulia. The swimming pool. And home. That's it. Oh. I tell you this. I'll tell you this. I'll tell you this. Who's to say that? That was Rabsy Nesbitt, wasn't it? Ha ha. Ah. 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 Here's the house. There's the sun. Very nice patio. The pond. Hello pond. The new French windows. So when they knocked the hole through, the whole house might have fallen down. But it didn't. The garden. And those two splendid trees on their way to heaven. With the clouds and the elm tree. And who's just turned up? Boo Boo. Yeah, alright. Okay. I'm glad you're as worn out as I am. Right.